My name's Gail, and I've been coming to Lundquist and Patterson for many years. I don't normally have headaches, but when I have one, I know my neck and back is out. When I come here, I get immediate relief, and I can continue on with my day. Dr. Patterson has also helped me with lower back pain, and again, it is immediate relief.